In this video, I'm going to explain a really cool way that you can use to advertise on Facebook completely for free and make money without spending a penny on adverts. How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Rafe Michael Dowley, and this channel is all about entrepreneurship, affiliate marketing, and making money online. So in this video today, I'm going to explain how we can use Facebook to make money using affiliate marketing without spending a penny on adverts or anything like that. Okay, so basically the strategy revolves around using Facebook and Facebook groups. Okay, so Facebook is really pushing this at the moment. They recently changed their algorithm in the last couple of years, where they're really pushing the importance of groups now in any sort of niche. And they're really starting to replace Facebook pages, and they're becoming a much easier and better way for you to grow the number of leads for your business, grow your following, and ultimately make more money. So in this video, I'm going to explain the step-by-step process that you need to take to utilize Facebook groups, grow your own group, and increase the amount of money that you're making. So basically, let's jump on the computer and I'm going to show you now. So like I said, guys, the strategy revolves around using Facebook groups. So this is my Facebook group. The idea basically is around you're going to use your group to promote valuable tips, strategies, advice, give value to your members. And then every once in a while, you can also promote things to them, like things that might be relevant to them. So for example, like I'm in the make money online niche, so I could promote things that can help people to run their affiliate marketing business. So for example, it could be a link tracking software, it could be a tool to help someone grow their YouTube channel, it could be some sort of AI or Facebook Messenger bot. Okay, so that's what I might do with my Facebook group, in addition to giving them value. So when you're designing your own group, you want to create a group that people are already searching for, and you want to target certain keywords that people are already looking for. So if you look at my group here, my group is about affiliate marketing, passive income, and teaching people how to run an online business. So as you can see inside of my name, I've got passive income, I've got affiliate marketing. Okay, so when people search for these terms, there's a good chance that my group is going to come up for that. Also, in addition to that, when you're designing your group, you want to create a big, nice cover photo, okay, ideally with your face in it, but you don't need to show your face if you don't want to. You want to have your keyword in there. You want to basically show what your group is about and what you can offer. And then when you're starting off first, you're going to want to invite your friends to the group first, just so you can get the ball rolling. And then also, you're going to want to find similar groups to yours, go into those groups, and then add people from those groups over to your group. And I'm going to explain that in a little bit more detail later in the video. But for now, that's what we're going to be doing. And the reason we want to just get these few people in at the beginning is as your group grows in number, more people join the group, people inside that group will start to engage, will start to comment and make their own posts and comment on your posts, and Facebook is going to see that and see that there's a lot of engagement and activity going on in that group. And what the great thing about this is that Facebook is going to start promoting your group for you completely for free without any spend on ads. They're going to start bumping it into people's news feeds. They're going to start promoting it on the sidebar as a suggested group. So really, it is really powerful if you can just get those first trickle of people into your group. Then Facebook is basically just going to start promoting your group for free, and things will start to snowball from there. And then from there, the more people that come into your group, you're eventually going to have people clicking on your links, clicking on the links for your own product, to buy your dropshipping product or your affiliate offers. So that's really the end goal of this. We're going to get as many people coming from other related groups in our niche into our group, and then from there, by providing them value first and not being too salesy, you're going to get a lot of clicks on your links, clicks through to your funnels. You're going to grow your email list and ultimately sell products and make money. Facebook is the biggest search social media search engine in the world. Okay, there's billions and billions of people every day who are using Facebook, so that's a huge pool of people that you can potentially draw from and sell products to. Okay, sell your own product, promote an affiliate offer, sell drop shipping products. Okay, there really is a lot of different options that you could do. You could be in the dog training niche, for example. So you could create a group around training dogs, the best tips and best practices for getting your dog to listen to your commands. So then you could go on to somewhere like ClickBank, where you can find a whole range of different products that you could promote to somebody. So yeah, particularly in the dog training niche or the e-marketing, e-commerce type of niche, ClickBank is a great place where you can find products to promote. So the next question is, how do we actually grow our Facebook group and get people who are interested in what we're trying to offer from where they are and get them into our group? Well, the first thing you really need to do is you need to go over and try and find groups in your niche. So for example, I used the dog training niche there as an example. So I'm going to go over to Facebook here and I'm going to type in dog training. Let's see, dog training advice and support maybe, and we can go down here to groups. And as you can see, we have lots of different groups here that help people with dog training. So these are different communities where people are sharing advice, sharing tips, sharing help on how to train your dog. And you can be sure that the people who own these groups, as well as the members who are in them, are using these groups as a group of people where they can promote their products and promote their offers to. Okay, so if we go into the first one up here, like this has got 5,300 members. So this is a private group, so I'm not going to try and join that. That's fine. So this is a public group here. So we can see what I mean here. This has 45,000 members. So you could potentially create a group around your chosen niche, whatever that is, and you could potentially grow it to these kind of numbers: 40,000, 50,000, 100,000 people, and that's a huge pool of potential traffic for your affiliate business or for any business that you're running. Okay, so basically the strategy that you're going to utilize is you're going to go into these groups and you're going to offer value. You're going to answer questions for people. You're going to create big, long, meaty posts where you share your expertise and your advice. Create a good reputation in those groups and create a good rapport with the group admins. And the purpose of this is because that then you can go and you can you can become friends with people from these groups. Okay, and if you've already been adding value and adding tips and adding to these groups, okay, and giving people help, people are going to trust you more, and people are going to see you as an authority. Okay, so for example, let's go down here. So we've got different posts here. People are leaving comments under these. This is where you can leave your own answers and answer the questions for these people. You can go to each of these people and you can see that yes, they're interested in dog training. Yes, they are in the niche that I'm trying to target. So they could be a potential customer for my business. So that's what we would do. We would add them from these groups and then we would take them over to our own group. So like I showed you already, I've got my own group and it's in the Make Money Online niche, but you could create your very own group in the dog training niche or the whatever. Literally, you can make a group on anything you want. And so an important step in this process before you actually create your group is to make sure that your profile is properly optimized. Okay, so if we come over to my Facebook profile here, you can see that I've got a nice profile photo. I've got a nice cover photo stating what I'm doing, okay, and what I'm about. And you basically use your Facebook profile as a bridge, okay. So when you're leaving answers and value posts in these various groups, people are going to naturally click on your name because they're curious about who you are and maybe can you offer them some more value and things like that. So if you have a Facebook profile that doesn't really have much on it, it doesn't really look great and people aren't going to trust you as much. But if you make your profile like this, then it really comes across better and people will naturally gravitate towards you and want to learn more about what you can offer them. And so within your profile, you can have a link to your Facebook group, which I have mine here. So let's just go over, and then from there, people are going to join your group. Another way of doing this is also to just add friends. Add people as friends from these different groups. Okay, so if I go back to the dog training group we were in, see that these people have commented, these people have liked it, etc. We can go and add these people as friends. Okay, and then from there we can invite them. Once they're our friend, we can invite them to our brand new Facebook group, and that's the way we're going to grow it. So from there, once we have our own Facebook group like I have here, we can start adding value to our new group members, our new friends, giving tips, giving advice, and then also promoting occasional offers to them. And this is how we can grow our email list. This is how we can promote affiliate offers, and ultimately this is how we can make more money online. Okay, so we can see here with mine that I'm sharing blog articles that I've written. I'm sharing product reviews. Okay, so this is a review I made for GetResponse that shows people how to use the product, and also I've included affiliate links in there, so I might make a sale. I've included different posts like this asking if people want any help, so again I'm adding value. You can do motivational posts like this. Okay, you can do big long meaty posts like this one where I've explained the top reasons why you need to start growing your email list. Okay, include a funny meme or some image at the bottom. Okay, and this helps you to connect more with your audience and really grow your relationship. Okay, and really this can grow and snowball really quickly, and you can make a lot of money and get a lot of leads from this method, and it's completely free as opposed to Facebook pages where you're paying for ads and things like that. This is a completely free way of getting free traffic without spending a penny on ads on Facebook. Okay, and like I said, you can go over to ClickBank, where is it? ClickBank Marketplace. You can find products there. You can go on Google and find different tools and things that your audience might be interested in based on what your niche is. So I hope you enjoyed that video today, guys, and it gave you a little bit of value. Make sure to leave a like, please, if you enjoyed the content of this video and you found it valuable, because it really helps out the channel and myself with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. I'm also going to leave a link down in the description for my own Facebook group if you'd like to join that, so I can share more tips, strategies, and advice with you related to affiliate marketing and growing your business online. So that's it for today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching, and until next time, cheers, guys.